What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video. Last night I brought you guys this gem, Applecat, and cheers to you if you guys took it at 1 million market cap, because shortly after, within 8 hours, we saw a 100% rise in this thing. Since then, it's pulled back slightly. So let's talk about this, because it's not too late for you guys. If you guys want to take a look at Applecat, I just want to bring you guys a little bit of a better video on Applecat, because last night I was half asleep, but I really wanted to get it to you guys cheap. It was down here. We got it to you guys right at 1 million. When it bounced off the 800K down here and I saw this candle go up, this was kind of a bullish candle, the way that it sold up off of support. Then we saw this flat right here, and then immediately after it started coming up. Now right here is where I made the video. I made the video for you guys at 1 million market cap down here, and then right after that, you say you guys saw 120%, 121% return, right, guys? And that was on the other chart. I actually should pull up the chart for you guys. I want to pull it up on a different time frame for you guys. I'm going to have 2 time frames for you guys on this, because I want to break down what I see here for you guys a little bit. Here's the 3-minute chart. Now right here, it took about 1 hour ago, and I made this video for you guys 11 hours ago. So 10 hours in, you saw a potential 130% gain on Applecat. Cheers to you, and I hope that you secured some profits. If there's anything I've taught you guys on this channel, it's that when you're up 100%, take your initial off. If you guys bought $1,000 worth of Applecat at the bottom, at 2.3 million, you should have took the 1,000 off. So now you're just playing with house money. You're playing with house money, and now that we've pulled back a little bit, perhaps you'll decide to add some of that house money back in. The fact that you're at 1.7 million market cap over here, right? And so there's 115K in liquidity, so the price moves a bit. It's a little bit lower on the liquidity spectrum, but let's look at what we're actually seeing here. Is because this thing came all the way down to the final support zone down here, where it bounced off of this 800K 3 times before it broke over it and turned it into support here, making this a strong support zone. This support zone is the one that held right here, and then we finally broke out of this downward trend, kind of leaning upward. See, it kind of looks bullish when you look at it this way. Now this candle worries me. This is a bearish candle. This is a bullish candle, the way that it sold up, but this is a bearish one. So it shows indecision at this level. But this is a given that you are going to come back and retest this, that you would shoot up, come back and retest it, and then start traveling upward again. And so this thing, not too long ago, 3 days ago, was at 7.5 million market cap, guys. So you're looking at a big run. You got a big run ahead of you if this thing does make this full recovery like we think it will. Like I said to you guys, this was brought on the Banter show on Sunday. They made a Memecoin show. Like 100,000 people saw this thing, and it's on there to be seen over and over and over again, guys. So the fact that that is there to be seen, and we're here now getting this thing. Like last night I brought it to you guys at 1 million market cap. They brought it on the show at 1.2 million market cap. You guys are getting a gem that the community, their whole community, the Banter community, is buying. There's a lot of them, and they're holding this coin. You got 2.2K holders. The holder count is small still. And I told you guys last night when I was looking at it that they were eyeballing getting centralized exchange listings, and they're looking at getting verified on CoinMarketCap. They sent a retry in to do that, and if that gets approved and you see it on there, that's going to be a catalyst to send price higher too. We've got 1,000 followers in the Twitter right here. Now, I brought these details to you guys yesterday, but these are some cool memes. They've got really cool memes here. The Applecat's hopping out of here. And if you guys don't know what the meme is relevant for, it's because of like Banana Cat. Banana Cat is like a thing. Applecat, I guess Applecat and Banana Cat hanging out together, and because they made a Banana Cat token. See, there's a Banana Cat token. Well, they made an Applecat token to go with it right here. So Applecat and Banana Cat. I think that this is cool right here. The Applecat, it was a generational entry right here, and I did get a lot. I got a lot of tokens. I bought my tokens at 800K. I bought the bottom, guys. I did. And not only did I buy the bottom, I bought it up to almost 1 million. I bought it back to 1 million. to like 980K, and then they did the rest. They shot it up to 1.1 million immediately. Once it was up in that range, I was like, I need to make an emergency video to you guys, telling you guys about this, because I made a video sooner about it, but it wasn't bottomed out yet. I didn't want to bring you guys a video when the thing wasn't down there. That way, that you guys got a good entry. If you guys got in last night, and if you guys are seeing this video, you guys are getting good entries in this, provided that this thing survives. But we'll see what happens for the Applecat. I'd like to see what happens for the Applecat, because this is the highest we've been at, in how many days? In a day and a half, the highest that we've been at. Let's see if we can pull above it, guys. So let me know down below what you guys think about Applecat right here. It's still a smaller project. We'll see if this thing can actually make a further rally up, because it's made multiple rallies up. Looking at, now that it's held support here, can take another run up. Let's see what happens, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.